day viewers, welcome to Vario's Kitchen channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make condensed milk toffee, which is popularly known as candy. Now I am starting with my 1.5 tablespoon of butter into my non-stick pan. Then I'm adding 500 grams of condensed milk. Then I keep stirring it while it's on heat until the whole water in the condensed milk dries up, thereby making the whole thing come together. Now this particular toffee you can also use something like vegetable oil in place of your butter. It will still give you the same result. Now after this, by the time it starts coming together, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of my vanilla flavor. I'm using clear vanilla this time, not the dark one. So just add the vanilla flavor and then continue stirring again until it becomes thicker. Note, make sure you don't allow it on heat so that the brown will not be too much. When the brown is too much, the toffee becomes bitter, which you may not really like. So keep stirring until everything comes together and the liquid, the water in the condensed milk, dries up a little. Now you can see what is going on. You can see the whole thing is drying gradually. And don't allow it, remember, don't allow it to over brown. That lighter brown is always the best for it. So you can see, because I'm using non-stick pan, everything is separating from the pan. It's always advisable to use a non-stick pan for this particular recipe. Now next thing, you just pour it into a parchment paper on your work table and cover it with the side of the paper. Roll it to flatten it a little bit and allow it to cool down between 5 to 10 minutes. The truth is, you don't have to allow it to be too hard, because when it cools completely you cannot chop or cut it. All you need to do while it's still a bit hot but not to touch, you can now go ahead and cut. The next thing I want you to know is that you can actually wrap them like the way they wrap most of the candies. You're going to see me, I'm just going to use one of my queen cake papers. That is the papers we normally use for our cupcakes. I'm going to be using the golden one, to wrap, to show you how you can wrap your candy. Now continue cutting until everything is well. You can see it's a bit stronger now. I have allowed it to cool down, but when you are making it, you don't have to overallow it. Next, you begin to chop them one by one, or you can even chop them in group. And after this, now this is how you wrap. You can get something that is better than this to wrap, but I only want to show you an example. It's not compulsory you must use this. You just wrap it and then twist the 2 edges and your candy sweet is ready. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up if at the end of this video you like it. Bye.